Hello, ladies, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So I wanted to share a certain product with you that is coming out, or maybe it's out already. You'd have to check at Walgreens or at a pharmacy. It's not a really high-end product, but it is a really effective product. And the reason I wanted to talk to you about it, I'm not getting any money for this at all. This is purely something I wanted to share with you because this product is organic. And I think we're looking for products that are affordable, more along the clean beauty organic line, and easily accessible, right? I think these are really important points for what many of you have told me that you're looking for. Obviously, I talk a lot about, really high-end lines as well and products as well, because I use a gamut of products when I deal with people. Generally speaking, I'm usually leaning towards the higher end just because of the type of people I deal with. Plus, I work as a professional makeup artist, so I'm putting people in front of a camera. So the products have to work. So when I found this product, and they actually did send me these products, I thought, wow, this is a really good, affordable brand that many of you might find interesting. Okay, the brand is called Dr. Botanicals. I want to share with you, they sent me 5 products and I've tried all 5 and I really like them. This one is very loved. As you can tell, I've sort of, it's been wet because this is the cleanser and I keep it in my shower. This is a great little cleanser. It's actually a gel. So in order to get it out of the product, you kind of have to, you have to work with it a little bit because it's a gel, but it smells really nice. It's grapefruit and watermelon, and it cleanses really nicely. I use my Foreo cleanser. If you don't know what that is, check down below. I'll put a link for the Foreo cleanser to really help to clean my skin, because the cleaner, the more you can get the gunk out of your skin, the better your skin looks and feels. So, but this is a really nice cleanser. So I've been super happy with it. I've been using it quite a lot. All right. So the next one is the pomegranate superfood sleeping mask. I am absolutely in love. This is probably my favorite product of theirs, is the sleeping mask. It is pomegranate, which who doesn't like pomegranates? But I wash my face, put this on at night, and in the morning you wake up and your skin is like, oh my God, like a baby's butt. It's so lovely. And you're supposed to only use it like 2 or 3 times a week. I've been using it every single day. Totally excessive. But I love it. It's just a really, really beautiful sleeping mask. I think this is probably one of the best ones in the line. Besides the cleanser. I love the cleanser too. Okay, they have a night moisturizer. This is an artichoke superfood firming night moisturizer. So I love the fact that they have a night moisturizer, that it's a superfood, which I love that language, right? Very into any of that. And it's, not pomegranate, it's artichoke. So that's really great. I really like this too. I think if you like a night cream, this is wonderful. Maybe you could use it in conjunction with the sleeping mask, like do one night, one the other. All right, so this is the Kiwi Cooling Eye Serum. So if you have dry skin around your eyes, or if it ends up being irritated, I think this is really nice. It's very gentle. Again, it's got kiwi fruit in it. I think this is a really sweet product if you have dry eyes and you want something separate for your eyes. I think this is lovely. All right, so the last one is the Orange Restoring Facial Serum. So this is a serum. You can use it twice a day or once a day, whatever you'd like. So it's restorative. The flavor in this is orange, not flavor as in like it's flavored, but the scent and the fruit enzyme that's in this is orange, which orange is actually really, really awesome for your skin. So they've put it in a serum. This is a really, really nice serum. So if you're looking for a serum, at a Walgreens, I would say this is really good. Now, many of you will ask me the question, what's the difference? What's the difference between using an inexpensive product that is organic and using one of these really high-end products that I often talk about that are, $200-$300 for a serum, that sort of thing? What's the big defining factor in that? And the defining factor is how it's made. What you're looking for if you want sort of anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, your lines to improve, that sort of thing. What you're looking for is a line that's been compounded, has dealt with a compounding pharmacist. That's really what you're looking for. Many lines that are higher end end up using really high quality ingredients, and then they compound them so that they get beneath your skin. Having said that, organic products can be really great. The difference is that an organic product that is not compounded, for the most part, that's the majority of those that come under the organic rating, don't have that capability. So they're good products. They feel nice, they smell nice, they look nice, but they're not going to help with anti-aging. Now, I don't like the word anti-aging. I don't use that word. I don't like to use that word. I have to use it often because that's the word that we all type in Google search when we want some solutions, as we type in anti-aging skincare, that sort of thing. So that's why I use that word. So these products are not necessarily anti-aging, but they are really wonderful, just everyday products that are affordable and accessible. Again, like that's really why I thought I'd talk about them. And also that I just think they're beautiful, nice products, right? And I think if we can find something that falls under the clean beauty heading that does its job and is, again, is affordable, then why not talk about it? Again, I do think if you're looking for more anti-aging in quotation marks, then you are going to have to go towards a compounded product. Okay. Now that's not what these are, but I think they are really good products. So if you don't care about anti-aging and you just want to get something that works, that is organic, I would say this is a great line to go for. One of the things I really like about this brand and that I wanted to bring it to your attention is not just the points that I've already mentioned, but also they are really into diversity. They really celebrate diversity. So they're really into Black Lives Matter, which so am I. They support empowering women. They support the LGBTQIA community. They do not test on animals. It's 100% vegan. They also have made a commitment to be carbon free by 2023. I love that. Like, I'm super into all those things. I hope you found this video really informative. I really wanted to share this with you. I am happy with this line. Again, it's out of the UK. Their platform is magnificent. Their products are good. It's organic. It's clean beauty. It's those types of things. So if that's what you're looking for, I would say, hit this up. And if you don't have a Walgreens near you, I would say, go ahead and go online to their website and get it from there. Very easy, very accessible. Definitely check it out. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this and thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.